In this video, we'll quickly demonstrate the visual editing feature available in Base44 and how it helps you make changes to your application with confidence. To begin using the visual editing tool to edit your application, simply click on the Visual Edit button in the standard Base44 chat window labeled Edit. With the visual editing tool enabled, when you now move your cursor over an element within the preview window, a blue box will highlight the selected element. Upon clicking on an element, that element will now be considered selected. You can now instruct the Base44 AI agent to make changes to the specific element, ignoring all other pieces of your application. You can now also use the attached dialog that appears next to your selected element to quickly update the element in many different ways. Within the attached dialog is the code button. Upon clicking the code button within the attached dialog, you will be taken to the source code for the selected element, allowing you to freely update the element's source code. And that's it. That's how you can use the visual editing tool in Base44 to safely test and refine your application.